Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a comparison between KadenceWP and WP Engine, two popular platforms for bloggers in 2024. First things first, click the link in the description box to access both platforms. So, let's jump right in. Let's start by looking at KadenceWP. KadenceWP is known for its user-friendly interface and powerful customization options. With KadenceWP, you get access to a wide range of pre-designed templates by which you can easily customize layouts and add themes. Users can also enhance their e-commerce revenue with ShopKit extension and can boost sales and engage audiences by pop-up banners and slide-ins. With KadenceWP, users can expect their websites accessible, fast, and smooth. They also provide unlimited themes, premium support, and risk-free purchase with 30 days refund option. KadenceWP offers a range of products like Blocks Pro, Theme Pro, ShopKit, Conversions, Pattern Hub, Galleries, and more. These products' prices differ in terms of features provided. In terms of pricing, KadenceWP offers 3 plans. First one is free for website creators who are getting started. Second Essentials plan is for $149 per year, offers pro features and custom fonts. Last, Full plan for $219 per year gives full access to all the tools to help you sell. On the other hand, WP Engine is a reputable platform that offers bloggers a comprehensive set of features to create and manage their blogs effectively. One of its key strengths is its reliable hosting infrastructure, ensuring your blog remains accessible and secure at all times. It helps to design, build, power, and manage blogs. WP Engine offers a variety of tools for building and designing WordPress hosting, e-commerce, headless WordPress, and agency solution tools. WP Engine also provides a vast selection of plugins and themes to enhance your blog's functionality and appearance. WP Engine website tool includes webist monitoring, global security, smart plugin manager, local WordPress development, themes and tools, website tester, speed boost, smart search, and app performance. In terms of pricing, WP Engine offers 3 monthly plans. First, WordPress hosting for $20. Second, e-commerce solution plan for $24. And third, custom solution plan for $600. These pricing differ in terms of the number of features included, catering to different user requirements. WP Engine also offers annual plans. In summary, both KadenceWP and WP Engine offer powerful features for bloggers. KadenceWP may be preferable for bloggers who prioritize design flexibility, customization options, and content creation tools. Meanwhile, WP Engine is suitable for bloggers seeking reliable, managed WordPress hosting with advanced security features, scalability, and responsive customer support. That's all for today. Simply click the link in the description below to choose between these 2 platforms. Thank you for watching.